This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about ladles, specifically this Metlux serving ladle. It's a 1 ounce stainless steel ladle, and these ladles are also available in a few other sizes. You have the option of 2, 4, 8, 12, and 16 ounce sizes. The hook on the end keeps them from getting lost in serving dishes, pots, and containers. And the sizes are engraved on the side of the handle right there for really easy identification in your kitchen. The stainless steel these are made of is both lightweight and durable, making these ladles an excellent long-lasting tool for your kitchen. The small sizes are great for serving sauces, dressings, melted butter, and more, and the large ones are great for doing things like portioning and transferring liquids, think things like batters and other heavier stuff. Or they're even great for dishing up large servings of things like soups and stews. They're great for use in both the front of the house or the back, and they're dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. These are a perfect tool for any kitchen, home, or pro.